Alright, so today we are going to be installing Grand Theft Auto on the world's possibly most expensive gaming console, which is our Tesla Model X. And yes, this is a car. Yes, it gets us from place to place, but you can argue that this is probably the nicest gaming console. Look, you've got probably the nicest seat. It's ventilated, it's climate controlled, it has a really great screen, really great sound system, and you can also use it as a car. But one of the main points about making this video is to show you kind of the accessories that are needed to make this a fully fledged gaming console. So what we have here is a Jowua game controller. It connects to the car via Bluetooth. And we also have a Jowua external hard drive, 1 terabyte. If you want to follow along and find out why these accessories are useful, stay tuned. Many of you know by now you can run Steam Deck natively from the Tesla. It comes from the factory like this. But one of the limiting factors about using Steam Deck on a Tesla is the fact that the storage space is not very good. So as you can tell, there's an internal drive that provides just under 80 gigabytes of space. And while that's okay for things like capturing Sentry Mode and dash cam clips, it's not so good for installing large games on the Tesla. So luckily, we have a Jowua hard drive that provides us with an additional 1 terabyte of space. And so normally I would plug this into the glove box, but just to demonstrate how easy it is to use this drive, I'm just gonna plug it into the existing Jowua power bar that we featured in an earlier video. And you'll see that I instantaneously have almost a terabyte more of space to install games. So that's one component that we'll need for Grand Theft Auto. The other thing is the controller. So have this Jowua controller, and we're also going to charge this off the Jowua power bar in the center console. And so now we have space and a controller. The last thing we need to do is actually install the game. So I'm going to go to Menu, Home, search for Grand Theft Auto. There's Grand Theft Auto 5. We're going to purchase the game, the lowest tier, since I'm not a big hardcore gamer, just want to experience it. Purchase for myself, and we'll go through this payment processing, and once we're in the installation process, we'll come back. All right, so it looks like the purchase was successful. We're going to install it on the Tesla. And there's two different choices here. Install it on the internal drive or on the external drive. I'm going to install it on the new Jowua external drive. All right, so on the deck, you'll see that Grand Theft Auto is now available. We're going to start the download procedure. Alright, so as you can tell, I successfully installed Grand Theft Auto 5 on our Model X. The game is installed on the external Jowua hard drive. As I mentioned earlier in the video, this is 1 terabyte of space, and I think Grand Theft Auto took about 100 gigs, so there's plenty of space left for other games. I haven't really obviously played much in this game. This is in story mode. The controller, as you can see, connected fine to Steam Deck, and yeah, it just provides me with another game to play in the Model X. I'm just still amazed that this is even possible with some of the Teslas. So if you're interested in doing this to your own Model S or Model X, I will leave links in the description below. Again, the accessories we use are this Jowua Bluetooth controller, as well as the Jowua 1 terabyte external hard drive. And this is not necessary, but we do have this Jowua USB mini hub as well. It provides us with other additional USB ports, USB-A and USB-C configurations are available. So just makes living with a Model X that much easier. So if you've made it up to this point in the video, really thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.